in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your vacation duration period on your AOL Mail client. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up AOL Mail, select the settings button up at the top right, and then go down and select more settings. And now on the left side, select where it says vacation response, and then select your vacation response down here. And if you want to modify the date duration, click inside the top where it says when your vacation starts and when it ends. And using this calendar, you can adjust the date and settings for that basically right through there. And then you just select save to save it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.